An interview story for Gen-AI engineer. Interview board, for Gen-AI engineer interviewer 1, Alice, senior data scientist interviewer 2, Bob, head of ML engineering interviewer 3, Clara, director of technology candidate, John, Gen AI engineer applicant Alice. Good morning, John. Thank you for joining us today. Could you start by giving us a brief overview of your background and experience in the field of information technology? John, good morning, everyone. Thank you for having me. I have over 10 years of experience in information technology, with a significant focus on machine learning and artificial intelligence. Over the years, I've worked on various projects involving predictive analytics, personalization, and natural language processing. Recently, I completed several training programs and received personalized job coaching to enhance my skills in legacy ML, Azure ML, and Azure generative AI transformation activities. Bob, that's impressive, John. We're particularly interested in your hands-on experience with ML systems. Can you tell us more about your experience with TensorFlow, PyTorch, NumPy, and Python? John, certainly. Throughout my career, I've extensively used TensorFlow and PyTorch for building and deploying machine learning models. For instance, I developed a predictive analytics model using TensorFlow that improved the accuracy of sales forecasts by 15%. PyTorch has been my go-to for research and development due to its flexibility. I used it to create a personalized recommendation system for an e-commerce platform. NumPy has been a fundamental tool for data manipulation and numerical computations in these projects, and Python has been my primary programming language for implementing these solutions. Clara, that's great to hear. Our projects also involve Azure ML. Could you elaborate on your experience with Azure ML and how you've utilized it in your previous roles? John, absolutely. In my recent role, I led a project that involved migrating our ML models to Azure ML. This included setting up the Azure environment, deploying models, and automating the training pipelines. One of the key projects was developing an English text translation service into multiple languages using Azure's cognitive services. We achieved a 98% accuracy rate in translation quality, which was a significant improvement over our previous system. Alice, we're also looking for someone who can help us transition our applications into Azure Generative AI. Can you share any relevant experience or projects where you've worked on similar transformations? John, yes, I recently completed a transformation project where we transitioned our speech services, including speech-to-text and text-to-speech, to Azure Generative AI. This involved retraining our models using Azure's Gen AI capabilities and integrating them with our existing systems. The result was a more robust and scalable solution that reduced latency by 30% and improved user satisfaction. Bob, that's exactly the kind of experience we're looking for. How do you approach staying updated with the latest advancements in machine learning and AI? John, I believe continuous learning is crucial in this field. I regularly attend industry conferences, participate in online courses, and follow leading AI researchers and publications. My recent training programs and personalized job coaching have also been instrumental in keeping my skills sharp and up to date. Clara, it's clear that you're well prepared for this role. Before we conclude, do you have any questions for us? John, thank you. I do have a couple of questions. Firstly, could you share more about the specific challenges you're facing with your current ML systems? Secondly, what are your expectations for the first 90 days in this role? Alice, great questions, John. One of our main challenges is optimizing our existing models for better performance and scalability. We're also looking to integrate more advanced AI capabilities into our applications. As for the first 90 days, we expect the new Gen AI engineer to assess our current systems, identify areas of improvement, and start implementing a roadmap for transitioning to Azure Generative AI. John, thank you for the insights. I'm confident that my experience and skills align well with your needs, and I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team. Bob, thank you, John. It was a pleasure speaking with you today. We'll be in touch soon with our decision. John, thank you all for your time. I look forward to hearing from you. The interview concluded with the interviewers feeling positive about John's extensive experience and recent training, making him a strong candidate for the Gen AI engineer position. Note: in the current IT industry, the generative AI demand is accelerating very much. Every IT professional need to look into upgrading the job knowledge like John. John attended a Gen AI job coaching with Shanti Kumar V to gain the live experiences faster to answer to clients and provide solutions. Book a call with Shanti Kumar V on LinkedIn, https://www.linkedin.com/in/VSKUMARCOACHING.